Welcome Fractal community to this new video. So today we'll go through some of your questions. We have received a lot about swing trading. Is it possible using fractal geometry? I want to analyze the chart on higher time frames. So how I can do this using fractal geometry. So in fact, higher time frames will be always easier to analyze more than lower time frames. But most of the time we just trade the lower time frames because we want quick results. So right here we are on the EURUSD. We take before a short position right here from this high. So we'll explain how we take this trade and what are the confirmations behind this trade. So pay attention in this video. First of all, I want you to focus on this movement right here, okay? And this movement right here. So anyone can see that this movement in this way is self-similar to this movement in this way. And since you are following simple fractals, you know that this is not random. This is the reality behind the financial markets, that there is self-similarity from a small shapes to a bigger shape, okay? So right here, this movement is self-similar to this movement. That means there is a fractal, there is a structure right here. So our goal is to determine the right fractal and how we can trade it. So this one right here is called an equal low model in this way. So right here we have equal lows. So on the big picture, we'll have equal lows in this way. Very, very simple. So this was our first confirmation right here, our equal low model, okay? So if we take this fractal, okay, and we'll scale it, you will see, pay attention to this right now, you will see that this movement right here is self-similar to this movement, and then a strong uptrend, self-similar strong uptrend, and then we have this W shape right here. We have a breakout right here, and then breakout of this highs, breakout of this highs. So it's 100% self-similar, and this is the accuracy using fractal geometry. And then we go on this downtrend, and then this pullback in this way, the same thing right here. And as you can see right here, we have equal lows right here. Also, we have equal lows, and then we come back to our take a profit, and now we have equal lows in this way. So this is the accuracy of fractal geometry. Okay, this is our first model. So now we will not need it. We'll look for another confirmation. So we will use the multi-timeframe analysis as a technique. So now we are on the 2-hour time frame. We get an idea that maybe we'll have a short position after the breakout of this high to go to these lows. Okay, so now we'll move to the 1-hour chart. We try to look for another fractal. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we have right here our L in one direction model in this way. So in this way, we'll scale our fractal. Okay, so now what we have this pullback already covered, and we have our trading level will go on a short position. So this is another confirmation for our reversal level right here and our direction after this level. Okay, very nice. So now we'll go to lower time frame, and this is what we call it, as I said, multi-time frame analysis for more confirmations and more high probability entry points. So we will move to the 30-minute charts or 15 minutes. There is no problem. Of course, on every time frame, on every chart, you will find a fractal. So for example, if you are not trading this short position right here, you have the ability to trade this stranded child wave model right here in this way. So we talked a lot about this model before. So you will have the ability to take your long position right here, but this is not our topic today. So now we need also to have a confirmation for this level right here and the downtrend. So this our Y model right here. So as you can see right here, we have a higher high in this way. And the same thing will be on the chart, a higher high right here. And right here, we have a lower low, the same lower low right here. And then from here, we'll have short position. And it's a confirmation for the 3 models that we have found right here. The first one, as I said, the equal low model. The second one is the L in one direction model, and the third one is the Y model. And this is the accuracy. This is not hard. This is very easy when you have the right knowledge on fractal geometry. And the last thing that we have used right here to confirm our entry and our direction was the rescaled range analysis. So if we turn on the indicator, so as I said before, okay, we have right here the two vertical lines on the same level. Okay, so we have a valid setup. Our work will start after this green line right here. So our rescaled fractal was this one right here. Okay, so if we scale to the downside in this way, so we'll have this movement in this way. Okay, so this is our rescaled fractal right here. And since the price go to this high right here on the rescaled fractal, that means that on the big picture, the price will go back to this low right here, or this high, sorry, this high. And that's why after the rescaled range analysis, okay, you will see always that after the rescaled fractal, you will have this pullback. So you will have the opportunity to go short with this fractal. So if we go on Microsoft, for example, okay, we explained this on the last video on the YouTube channel. You can come back. We talk only about rescaled range analysis fractals. So we said that this is our rescaled fractal right here, okay? And when we scale it in this way, we'll have an idea about the direction later. So as you can see right here, after the breakout of the low, okay, of the low of our rescaled fractal right here, the point A. So now we know that the price will come back to the point A right here, and this is actually what happened on the chart. So you see right here, after the breakout, the price go on a pullback, okay? So in this pullback, you will have the opportunity to go short and target this fractal. Of course, this will happen if you didn't find this fractal from the beginning, okay? This one right here is the fractal of this wave. So as you can see, there is always a lot of confirmations. It works on a higher time frame, lower time frame. There is no problem. If we go to the gold chart, okay, we have received a lot of questions why the gold go on a big downtrend. So we go to the 1 hour chart. And right here, okay, right here we see this big dump on gold. And why this happened? Because of this fractal right here. Okay, so if we scale it on the chart in this way, so as you can see right here, this pullback was covered and we have this particular shape at the end of our fractal, okay? This one, that's why the price goes on a strong downtrend in this way. That's it all for today. As always, we offer one-to-one mentorship program online or in person in Paris. If you are interested, you can contact our support on Telegram or visit our website. You will find the link on the description. You can get the subscription for all the indicators we offer. Any question, any problem, you can contact our support on Telegram. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend.